Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. As you saw in the description, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to update Oxygen OS 11.1 in your Oneplus Nord mobile. As you know, Oxygen OS 11 was just rolled out recently, and 11.1 is a new update to that, and it has some specific new features also which has come along with it, and some bugs have been fixed. So I'll just show you step by step how you can go ahead and update that in your OnePlus Nord. So let's start. So first open your menu and open to the Oxygen updater, and now you'll be able to see that you have the 11.1.1.1 version. Just go ahead and download that update. You can just check out what are the new system features which have been updated and what are the bugs fixed on it. You can just go through it. And if you don't know how to use the Oxygen updater, please see my previous video in which I've shown you where you can download it from Play Store. And now you can see that the download has started. It's about 100 MB, so it will be very quick now. And it's not a new OS, it's just a update to the existing Oxygen OS 11, which had been launched for a few days. So that's been updated. And now we have to go ahead and quit this menu and go to the system. That's on settings. The last more column would be the system column. In that you go to system updates. In the right hand side you see the settings. Go to local upgrade. Over there you'll see that has been already downloaded. The new update, click on that and install now. So it is starting to install the update now, and we'll just wait a while this update gets completely installed, because most of the times if you see like a phone doesn't get an update properly, so at that time you can use the Oxygen updater and it will be useful for you. And this app is available in Play Store, and it's mostly safe to go ahead and use it to get the updates faster. So about 31% is complete. Let's see how long it takes to complete the procedure. So about 40 is done. Let's see. It's just 100 MB, so it won't be taking much time. And yep, it's about 44 done, 50 done. Okay, so it's almost done now. So all we have to go ahead and do is wait for it to give us the option to go ahead and reboot it. So I'll just go ahead and reboot this once it gives the option and get back to you. I think so it will just take another minute over there for it to show me the option to reboot it. And this is the simplest way you can go ahead and update the Oxygen OS 11. Okay, the reboot option has been done. So I'll just reboot this for you. And after rebooting, go to the settings and you'll be able to see about phone, and you can see that it's Oxygen OS 11.1.1. And you will also be getting another update after this, which is a Google Play system update for the month of March. It will be updated. And now if you go to system and also see the system update, you'll be able to see the latest update 11.1.1. And the system has become a little bit faster in rebooting process also and updating process also. So that's the simplest way you can go ahead and update your Oxygen OS 11.1 by using Oxygen Updater. I hope this video helped you with the step-by-step guidance on how to update the Oneplus Nord Oxygen OS 11.1. In case you do have any doubts, please leave your comments below so that I can go ahead and help you out with that. And if you do like the channel, please like and subscribe for future notifications. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.